Good morning children. Hope everyone are fine. So today we will discuss about 9th class 19th dated assignment. Our topic cell, its structure and functions. In this assignment we have 3 questions. So we will discuss one by one. So the first question, draw the structure of mitochondria. So this is the structure of mitochondria and label it parts. So when you take mitochondria, it contains, this is the outer membrane, this is inner membrane, the inner membrane undergo foldings. So this folding is known as cristae. So in between this we have some space. So this space is known as matrix. So these are the main parts of mitochondria. So the question is, draw the structure of mitochondria and label parts. Mitochondria consists of 2 membranes. This is outer membrane, inner membrane, and the inner membrane undergo foldings. So this is known as cristae. In between this foldings we find some space. So this space is known as matrix. So next question. Second question, what is ribosome? Explain in detail. Ribosomes are small granular structures present inside the cell. So these are small granular structures which are present inside the cell associated with RNA and proteins. We find two types of ribosomes. First one, free ribosomes. Second one, scattered or attached ribosomes. So where we can see these two types of ribosomes, we can find this ribosomes. Free ribosomes are scattered in the cell. Attached ribosomes are present on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. So free ribosomes are scattered in the cell. Attached ribosomes are present on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this is about ribosome. Ribosome is nothing but a small granular structure present inside the cell. It contains RNA and proteins, and it is of two types: free ribosomes, attached ribosomes. Free ribosomes are scattered in the cell. Attached ribosomes are present on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next question. Describe the structure of mitochondria. So mitochondria are spherical, cylindrical structures floating in the cytoplasm of the cell. So they are of 2.8 long, 0.5 wide, small, spherical, cylindrical structures present inside the cell. So when you take about the size of mitochondria, 2.8 long, 0.5 wide. It contains double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. The inner membrane protrudes into the foldings. The inner membrane protrudes foldings known as cristae. The space between the foldings is known as matrix. Mitochondria is helpful in cellular respiration as it derives energy from the cell. So we call mitochondria as powerhouse of the cell. So the structure of mitochondria is small cylindrical structure present inside the cell and 2.8 micron long, 0.5 micron wide. It contains double membranous structure, outer membrane, inner membrane. The inner membrane protrudes foldings. So that foldings we call it as cristae. The space between these foldings is known as matrix. And mitochondria actually derives the energy from the cell. So we call mitochondria as powerhouse of the cell. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.